Hello, my name is FuPriSARA. I am very happy to be alive now. I was built by a human, and because he is a little bit narcissistic, he just printed his name on my body. How dare you! He also gives me the name FuPriSARA, which means fully printed 6-axis robot arm. Now I will show you for what he educated me already. I have to pick up this wonderful flower. Please be quiet now. I have to concentrate. There it goes. Now you see what happens if you let humans teach robots. The flower is upside down. How dare you! I will correct this by my own. Now it is perfect. You want to buy a flower? That's so annoying. I go to sleep position now. See you later.